Hey folks, I'm the HVAC repair guy with 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus experience as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two entry-level single-stage air conditioners side by side, the Concord 7AC14F and the Liberty GLXS4B. Both units use louvered coil protection panels to guard the fragile aluminum fins from hail, yard debris, and stray lawnmower rocks. Neither of these models includes a factory sound blanket over the compressor. The Concord 7AC14F has a 14.3 SEER rating and an outdoor sound level of 74 decibels. The Liberty GLXS4B is rated at 15.2 SEER and runs slightly quieter at 72 decibels. That extra efficiency on the Liberty translates to slightly lower electricity consumption over time. Under the hood, both systems run basic single-stage technology, and neither uses a variable speed condenser fan or two-stage compressor. They both kick on at full capacity and run at a single speed until the thermostat is satisfied. Both units are made in the USA, with Concord produced by Allied Air Enterprises and Liberty manufactured by Dakin Goodman. An uninstalled Concord 7AC14F condenser typically sells between $900 and $1,150 for a standard 2-ton unit, with full installed packages from about $8,490 to $11,800 depending on tonnage. The Liberty GLXS4B condenser runs higher for direct equipment, roughly $2,000 to $2,600, or about $3,100 to $3,500 when bundled as a complete package with an air handler. Both manufacturers offer matching coverage, a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty if you register the equipment after installation. Neither model includes a unit replacement warranty in the event of a major failure. If I have to choose one for your home, I recommend the Liberty GLXS4B for higher efficiency at 15.2 SEER and slightly quieter operation at 72 decibels.